For over 60 years, Automobile Lamborghini has been at the forefront of innovation in the automotive industry. And now, they're taking it to the next level with the LB744, a super sports car that's unlike anything else on the road. The LB744 is based on a new aeronautics-inspired chassis called the monofuselage. This monocoque is made entirely of multi-technology carbon fiber, which makes it 10% lighter than the Aventador chassis, while also improving torsional stiffness by 25%. But that's not all. The LB744 is also the first super sports car to feature a 100% carbon fiber front structure. This material is also used for the front cone structures, ensuring a level of energy absorption that's double that of the Aventador's aluminum front frame, while also reducing weight by 20%. The monofuselage design is optimized for maximum integration between components, thanks to the use of extensive forged composites technology and the development of the monolithic rocker ring. This ring-shaped component is made of CFRP and forms the supporting structure of the car, enclosing and connecting the forged composites elements. The LB744's rear chassis is made of high-strength aluminum alloys and features two important hollow castings in the rear dome area. These integrate the rear suspension's shock towers and powertrain suspension into a single component with closed inertia profile, reducing weight and increasing rigidity. The LB744 represents a new year zero in relation to the use of carbon fiber in car production. Lamborghini has introduced automated and digitalized processes into material transformation, while still preserving traditional manufacturing methods like composites. This approach, summed up in the acronym AIM, automation, integration, modularity, optimizes efficiency, increases sustainability, and makes the applied technologies modular and flexible to meet all product requirements and characteristics. The LB744 is a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to cutting-edge innovation and engineering excellence. And with its unique design and unparalleled performance, it's sure to turn heads on the road for years to come.